guys, how are you? This is what we have been waiting for. This is what we have been waiting for. Here I am here in Jambi. My name is Coach Philip. This is what we have been waiting for. You can see, as you can see, a lot of people. They are preparing for warming up. Okay, this is a new SSB that we want to open here in Jambi. So I'm so happy because I can see a lot of people coming out to be part of this program. What are the benefits that's going to attach to this program? Okay, number one, we're going to have a good impact in this kit. Okay, we want to use football to impact this kit in Jambi. Okay, so that is why we are here to open this Jambi football. So I'm so happy because I see a lot of them coming out. You can see I already prepared some training for them. So thank you. God bless you. Please keep us in prayer. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye. Yeah, if you want to have quality dribbling, we have two parts.
Jadi ada dua bagian.
Ada kaki luar, kaki dalam.
Ada kaki bagian luar dan kaki.
Yang pertama dah, kaki luar, kaki dalam, kaki luar, kaki dalam, kaki luar, kaki dalam ya. Hop, 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 hop. Paham? Biru. Bagus, ayo, bagus, yes. Mantap. Siapa nama? Yes. Ayo. Awas, awas, pelan-pelan deh, awas. You receive your ball.
Ketika kalian terima bola.
Yang kedua, look.
Lihat.
Where is it?
Siapa di sana?
Where is the position? Baru, play. That is what I want. Yes, mantap. Yes, mantap. Yes. Masih lari, lari, lari. Good, itu dia. Yes. Yes, good. Yes, itu dia. Yes.
Baru, oke.
Good.